The Hong Kong Palace Museum and the world-renowned Liechtenstein Princely Collections will jointly present a special exhibition on Wednesday. The exhibition, titled Odysseys of Art, Masterpieces Collected by the Princes of Liechtenstein, is scheduled to be on display until February 20, 2023 at the HKPM. It will showcase 124 masterpieces for the first time in Hong Kong, including paintings, prints, tapestries, sculptures, and decorative art objects selected from over 30,000 works in the Liechtenstein Princely Collections.
The reason why we selected the Liechtenstein Princely Collection are also because the majority of the palace treasures currently shown in other galleries are from the Ming and Qing dynasty. So we're looking at, a very similar time frame, but also not just one way. Cultural exchanges are not just two-way traffic. Sometimes it's back and forth again and again. So we see the princes are very interesting Chinese art. We can also see around the same time, Chinese rulers are also very interesting European art.
我哋除咗係會引進一啲世界級嘅文化藝術展覽之外，未來我哋亦會將中國嘅文化藝術帶俾世界嘅觀眾。